Hello. Hello everyone. I'm back with another stream of Plane Shift. One second. Think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Yeah, probably. There are a lot of things to click. A lot of things to click, but I think we are good. I think we are pretty much. Yeah. Hello, good afternoon everyone, and welcome to another stream of Plane Shift, the game that just released another release. Probably the only MMO in existence on Unreal Engine 5.1.1. I don't know, but it's possible. Hello, Make Unreal. Hello, Hula. Hi. Hi. So I've been traveling the last week. I'm now back home, but I will travel again tonight in a few hours from now. So yeah, it's been a bit of a busy period for me, but traveling for work, yes. And yeah, but it's been good. My travels have been good. I managed to do what I had to do, and today I wanted to start streaming a bit earlier, but there were a few things I had to do. Bunch of things, administrative things and other stuff, and so I couldn't really manage to connect before. But I'm here now, and I think we can stay. We can stay together for about probably 2 hours or so. Well, yeah, maybe 1 hour and a half, 2 hours. I mean, I don't have a lot of time because I need to go. I need to go already tonight, but I think we can do a few things, right? We can do a few things. Did you test the game meanwhile when I was out? Was the server running fine, or did we have any crashes? I didn't check much. I see only one crash on the 14th of April, actually. That is what I see from the logs. Let me see which kind of crash is this. Is an admin command. Okay. Is an admin command. Oh, interesting. Yes, it's the Manita. I think it's the Manita quest. Possible. Okay, but I don't want to check it now. So I don't know if you know, but last week, the 10th of April, was only the 10th of April. It was only 5 days ago. Incredible. We released a new version of the game with these beautiful trees and beautiful mangroves and beautiful lake. And the main changes of the new release were the addition of new plants and new berries and new trees, and also the ability to harvest in a simpler way. So you can basically not just right click on whatever you see and or press E. I guess I don't know if you press E if it works. Probably not. But anyway, if you right click, it will give you the context menu for harvesting, and yeah. Is much easier than before. Now, there were also a few things that I was trying to do. One was to actually load in random events one of the new NPC, and right, which is this Raurim. Yeah, exactly. This Yizla and this Raurim. Okay, these two locations. So, but what I want to do, I have my database is a bit old on my machine, is a bit old, and I want to update it with the latest database from production. So I'm sure that I'm not, messing up things, and I have the same data set, because if you're going to change the path network, I want to be sure that we have the latest. And also I want to refresh my DB. So I did a backup of production just a few minutes ago, and I extracted it on my machine. So this is already the SQL file for the database. But before doing that, I don't want to lose what we did on random events, and so I want to extract the random events before exporting, before re-uploading completely, right? So let's do that. Let's do that. I think I can go in PS backups, or yeah, we can stay in the same directory actually. I think we can stay in the same directory, and I can do a MySQL dump, right? -p database is plain shift prod 2, and the table I want to extract is random events, right? Random events, yes, and I want to extract it in a file that will be called random events backup SQL, right? Okay, so let me see if we extracted it properly. Hopefully yes. Hopefully yes. The only thing that I need yes. We don't want to drop the table, so I think we will remove this. The lock and unlock is fine, but we don't want to drop the table when we re-import the thing. And yeah, so this is good. So we have it. Now I think we can scratch my DB. I think we can scratch my DB. And do it again. PS Unreal 5.1.1 scripts update schema. So it will be similar to update schema, definitely. So I think we can go here, and we can MySQL, and then we can drop database prod 2. We can create database prod 2. We can we don't have to create, we just need to give the grant, then we use this, and then we source the backup, right? We source the backup, which is db dump 0415. which is today. So this may take a bit of time. This may take a bit of time. This may take a bit of time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to add, basically I'm trying to do this first piece. I'm trying to do the addition of the main map, right? We have two missing pieces. And yes, check local DB, they are there. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that check they are there was just my reminder to be sure that I would not forget and delete them, right? And delete them. I think I want to drink. I want to drink some milk and something else. Wait. In this milk, we're gonna open it. Yeah, we're gonna open it. We're gonna open this. We're gonna open this. And we're gonna put into this some stuff. Why not? Right? And I'm gonna take a spoon. I'm gonna take a spoon and yeah. Yeah, a glass of milk. Milk. You know, milk. Tigers like milk, believe it or not. We are cats after all, you know, and cats like milk. So, Nom 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 nom. This is all your data, boys. So I would like to say that Legacy is going down with this month, okay? So not next weekend, but the weekend after. So between the 29 and the 30, PS Legacy will go down. Forever. Right? It will go down forever. Buffalo milk? No. Do you have it in France, huh? This is all your data, boys. Millions of lines. Done. Now we will source this. Okay, so let me change the music. Buffalo cheese. It's not buffalo cheese, it's bufala. It's bufala. Bufala means a different kind of cow. Bufala. Bufala versus mucca. You see? You see the difference? The one on the left is a bufala milk. It's a bufala. Yes, it's a bufala. Look at this face. Look at these horns. It is the result, you know. It is the result of the bufala mozzarella. Understand? Okay. Right. So if I refresh this now, you can see that we also have pet number 4 and pet number 5, right? Which is pretty good. I think pet number 4 we already tested. We already tested Isla, but we need to test Shoyel, and for Shoyel, the first thing we need to do, we need to create the proper path. Could you give it like a service a kick? Absolutely. Let me try. By the way, Jet, Legacy is going down at the end of this month, okay? So in 2 weeks from now. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy for what I say. Legacy went a bit crazy. I stopped it and I'm starting it now. Start what? Wait. Start. Yeah, this one. Okay, it's restarting now. You hear the announcement about Legacy? I didn't do any announcement actually. I didn't do any announcement, but anyway, the idea is to shut it down at the end of the month. Is there an insert for the guild Amleader map I can teleport to? Legacy? I'm not touching Legacy since so long time. Let me think about it. I don't even remember how it works in Legacy. In Legacy, okay, all the maps are in the same location, right? So if you have one, yes, if you have one, any instance will be good, right? I think you can go 000 Amnedair and it should be there, no? Oh no, no, impossible. There's another map. Depends if it's warped. I have no idea. I don't remember. Guild Amnedair 000. Ah, but in PSU. Ah, yes. And PSU is very different. In PSU, you need a guild house loaded, and in Amneday, I mean, the guild houses are loaded as needed, are loaded on the fly, and so it will load one only if there is a guild house associated. So we need to associate a guild house to it. I have one associated in my dummy database, but I don't have one associated in production database, I think. I can check. I can check. So guilds. Here we are in prod. Guilds. Guilds house type. House type. Guild simple, guild Oja, guild low, guild Goog. No, there are zero. There are zero defined in Amnedair at the moment. So it needs a bit of preparation. I cannot do it on the fly. I cannot do it on the fly very easy. I mean, if you really need it for the event, I can stop what I'm doing, but it will take me half an hour or so. If you can live without, I would prefer, because I wanted to do some other stuff today, but if it's really needed, I can... basically, the idea would be to create... You don't need it for the event? Okay, good. Because the idea is that you need to associate one dummy guild house, right, to the Amnedair house, and so it's a bit of but no, it doesn't exist. There is nothing in production with that. Zero. Okay, let me think what I'm doing. So I imported that. Fine. Now, what I want to see is if... do we have all the maps at the moment? I think we have all the maps. I don't really need all the maps, but let me do this. I assume that none of those has been modified. Perfect. So I can delete them all. So we load with a shorter, with a smaller set. Also, I guess that up to X06 probably. We don't need any of these maps as well. Let me just double check that. There is nothing to commit. Okay, there's nothing to commit. So I can delete that. And just to load a bit quicker. And okay, so if I start the server and the client now, You've just been wandering for a while. We can create one, so maybe you can have the next event in one of them. We can create one temporary. Maybe we can associate it to an NPC or something, or we can do that. Okay. I will do something to simplify my life. Okay. Paparam. Paparaparam. We take. Okay. So we go. We go Oja. We go Oja. Yeah. So what do we need to do? We need to split. You can do it. Okay, what do we need to do? We actually need to split a path, right? Because at the moment, there is a single path that goes all the way. So that is there is waypoint 679, right? Now 679 is a point 120, is a point 121, is a point 122 and 23. So this is exactly where we need to branch, right? This is exactly where we need to branch. So I think the only way to do it, I think there is no way to branch. I mean, I remember there was an insert, right? But I don't know if you can insert waypoint. Let me see 1 second. If I go path, right? Path adjust, no. Path point insert. Yeah, the problem is that you can insert a point, but I don't think that you can. There is path split though. Path split is fantastic. Split a path into two paths, inserting a new waypoint with a name according to what's set with the path format. Path format. Set up a format to be used in a waypoint. Path format WP0 10 to create a waypoint name and 10 blah blah blah. Yeah, exactly. So I think we want I mean the waypoint, I think I would like to call it Raurim. I mean, we can start here from Raurim, even if it's not in Raurim yet, but I think it makes sense that we call it Raurim. The stream volume went muted for no reason. What? No, I see the volume. I can't hear him. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, boys? Strange. Strange. I think we can, even if this is still in Oja, I think it would be good to call it Raurim, because this is the road that goes to Raurim. And, oh, we call it Raurim Road. Maybe we call it Raurim Road. Yeah, why not? I think we call it Raurim Road. So if we do path, right, format, and then we call it Raurim Road underscore and then 0, and then we start from 1, right? You see the new path format, the first new waypoint will be Raurim Road 1. Okay. So now the problem is, do you think you will be able to see this path? Because I need to split it. Where do I want to split it? I want to split it here, I think. Do you think that if I do path select, this thing is able to... path T09 from Maka Center. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's try. Let's do path split. Path split. Any flags? No, we don't need any flags. So I will just do path split and see what happens. Oi. Our server crashed. GG. Path split seems not to be working. Our server crashed, boys. Our server crashed. Interesting. Fail to create new WP link. Error column name cannot be null. Wow. So it seems the path split is not working, huh? It seems the path split is not working. Strange. Split. Split, find nearest path. So this one probably found. Waypoint, get name, blah blah blah. So up to here I think we arrived without any problem. Find waypoint. Create waypoint. It was inside create path. It doesn't seem to be here though. Strange. It's a bit strange that it was not inside create waypoint. It was inside create path, handle path, create path. 7961. Ah, so this one was probably executed. This one was probably executed. But then this one was not. Ah, because name is empty. Because name is empty. Ah, okay. Let me just see what it was in the old game. You can hear me? Hello, Fergus. Hello, Fannar. Meanwhile, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. I'm back only for today. In few hours, I'm gonna travel. I'm gonna travel again, and I will be away for another week. Unfortunately. I mean, not unfortunately. I mean, I like traveling, but unfortunately for plane shift. I mean, it's not a problem, but so this admin manager handle path, right? Exactly. I'm checking in the old. Oops. I'm checking in the old game. If we add the same empty. The same empty format. Yes, actually we did. So probably this has never been tested. Probably this has never been tested. Strange. I don't know exactly what he created, but I'm assuming that he actually created. Let me do where name like Raurim. I think he created one. Yeah, exactly. He created one. He created this, but I think he didn't create any path network, right? So he's trying to, in theory, he's trying to create this. He's trying to create waypoint links. By waypoint links, need a name. Waypoint links need a name. Yeah, exactly. We need a name. Now, what name can we give to the link? What name can we give to the link? I think we can give it a name that is the same as... should we call them link or... Actually, this number is a bit random. It's strange it is not automatically created, because when you do create path, my idea was that, you know, maybe if the name is empty, the name should be created automatically, no? Probably that's not what it does. Oh, name is taking name, so he's expecting a name. He's absolutely expecting a name. It's kind of strange though, because if you create is this the only place? Strange. You see that he's expecting the name to be created here. But for some reason it doesn't. Maybe it was in some of the initializations and I forgot to carry those over, because it seems to be a bit weird that no. He's not setting the name. He's not setting the name. So, interesting. Let's say that here we have two paths, right? We have one so the situation is that, you know, the situation is that we have a first waypoint and a second waypoint, right? And there is a path in between, right? That what we want to do, we want to break, right? We want to break this path, create a new waypoint in the middle, and create you know, two new paths, one that goes like this and another that goes like that, right? So this is what we are trying to do. So he's creating these two new paths, and here I told him, hey, call this guy Raurim Road _1, right? That is the name of the waypoint. So I think in case it is splitting the path and is creating two new links, I think we could really call it, you know, Raurim Road 1A and Raurim Road 1B. I think like we did it already in the past. So yeah, I mean, why not? I think we can take the waypoint name, this one, the WP name, And then we can say path name 1 and path name 2, where path name 1 is basically WP name plus A, and path name 2 is B. I mean, we just need to differentiate them. We don't really care what is the name, but hopefully this way it will not crash anymore. I don't know. He's saying that he's deleting all the path points, which may be kind of painful because it means that all the path point that we had going to they have to be rebuilt for a new segment. Well, actually, there are we deleting all the points? I think we probably are. So I think we are going to delete, what was it, 679? I think it was path ID 679. No. Probably not. Waypoint 1. I think it was this one, huh? From 679 to 707. So the path should be 765. The path should be, wait, 700. Um, 765. Come on. Yes, exactly. These were the 10, 0, 20, 10, 0, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So in theory, all this one will be deleted. All this one will be deleted and they will have to be rebuilt. Which is a bit annoying, but I would say fine. Okay, let's try to do it again, because I think I would like to fix this problem, if possible. So let's try to pass in the two path name 1, path name 2, and let's try to recompile it. I say long enough, you stay safe and enjoy your travel experience. Video plan channel will be around when you come back. Thank you. Yeah, exactly. Enjoying what the world can provide. There are 2 new free games, huh? Mordau and this one. I don't know if you want to get it, but maybe you should. Free games is always nice. Okay, let's recompile this guy. Do you want to see a preview of one of the Noltri houses? I have one of the Noltri houses open here. Do you want to see it? Oh, there it is. It's missing windows, but that is one of the new Noltri houses, and yeah, in kind of a shell-like pattern, and also he has this nice patterns on the borders. I will add the windows soon, but I think it looks very nice. It's one of the commissions. Doing this work cost $40, okay? Just to give you a sense, for one house, just the texture is $40, boys. It is very nice, yes. I think it's very nice. I think commissions are good. The problem is that it's very, very hard to keep the same artist. Every time you get an artist, then he disappears, he's not happy, whatever. Like this guy that did this job agreed on the price for the first house, and then when I asked him to do 2 other houses, he said that he wanted to have a double the money. Ridiculous. Double the money. And so I said, no way. I mean, I will keep one house and GG. I will do one house only. And this is what I did. And so now I'm searching another artist to do another house. The problem is that if you always change artist, the style may be different, right? And that's a problem. Okay, let's see if... what the hell? No, I deleted it. I didn't? I didn't delete it. I didn't delete it, huh? I didn't delete it. We can remove it because this one has no dependencies. I thought I deleted it, but no, I didn't. Yeah, it's here. Okay. It should have no connections with anything. So in theory, path remove. No, it's removing a world path. Okay, it's easier to delete it from the database, boys. It's easier to do this. It's easier to do that and just reload the path. What? Okay, now. Now. Okay, now you see that that one went away, right? So I think we can... Okay, let's try again and see if it works. We will lose all these points. All these points will go away. We will have to recreate them until that guy, right? So we'll have to recreate all these points, but it's not a problem. We can recreate them. I want to see if we manage to have the creation, you know, the automatic creation. So let me say patty info, and is 679.707 exactly. So if I do path format Raurim road underscore 01, and then I do path split. Let's see if it crashes again. Didn't find any path close by. Didn't find any path close by. Strange. Path split. Okay, we're splitting now. Fine. Okay, splitted path, Aka path 79 to routing road. Okay, it seems that it did it. So let's see if I reload path now. Basically, all these points should disappear. Path reload. No, reload path. Okay. Yes. Yes, so that waypoint now is connected to this waypoint, and I assume that waypoint at the bottom exactly is pointing. You see that it's going under the, but is pointing to that. So actually the split worked. Okay, nice. So we fixed it. So now what we need to do, we need to add new points just to bring back the status to what it was. And then we can branch from that point, right? So let me see if I do path info from here. No path or waypoint in range. Okay, he found it. Okay, he found it. So now I can do path point, add insert or remove a point to from the current selected path. Exactly. So if now I do path point add, I have no path selected. Okay, path select. Didn't find any path close by. Strange, because in theory should from Rambling Road 1, exactly. We selected the path now, right? We selected the path. So we do add point. Okay, point added. Then we go, I think we go here and we add another point. Point added. Then we go here. I mean, this transition is a bit rough, but anyway. Point added. Then we go here. Point added. I think that's all. We don't need it. We don't need another point here. Okay. So now we need to add the points that go from here to there. Otherwise, right? So we will do path select again. Path select. No, it selected the wrong one. From 679. Yeah, no, it's correct. It's this one. So if now I do add, right? I think it's enough. I don't need another point. This will be straight, like will go straight to me. So I think that's fine. Or maybe we can add another point here just because we can. Okay, let me reload. Let me do path reload now. Or reload path, whatever it is. Oi. No. This one is correct. This one is correct. As you can see, this one is fine. This one is fine. Well, yes and no, actually. Ay. Ah, it was the other direction. Fuck. It was the other direction? Probably yes. It was the other direction, meaning that this one is the first... oh my. Okay. How can I fix it now? Basically, I need to invert the position of this guy. Oh my god. I need to move it. Oops. I need to move it. I have to do path point, path move point, path move point, and then I can put the ID of this guy. So 40, 519. So that guy actually needs to, yeah, it's all the opposite. It was the opposite direction. I should have started from the end and not from the beginning. But okay, it's not too hard to fix. I think we can fix it. So this one actually goes here. And this one goes there, and then we will have to switch this two. So everything is reversed. Everything is reversed. So 4522. Okay, and now we switch this guy with the other guy. We switch this 4520. 4520 with 4521. With 4521. So now they should be hopefully in the right order. Okay, seems better now. You see that now this one, the red one is flowing into this one is flowing into this one is flowing into that, and then it goes up, right? It goes up, it goes here, and then connects to that. And now from here, yeah, here is the same mistake, so this two needs to be swapped. So 4523 needs to come here. $45.23 needs to come here, and $45.24 needs to come here. Okay. So now, yes, now is correct. Now is correct. Fine. Okay, now we have this new waypoint. This new waypoint is the one that will bring us to Raurim, right? In this road. So the way to do it, I think you could add a new path starting from an existing point. Exactly, path start, right? Start a new path. If there is a waypoint nearby, the waypoint is used to start the path. Otherwise, a new waypoint is created. Exactly. So if I do path select, if I stand here, hopefully, and I do path select, right, or path info, you should get this one as the starting point, right? Found waypoint Raurim Road 1, right, which is this guy. Yeah, exactly. So if I do path start, right, is starting exactly. Path start. Now the only problem I think is allow return. I think I need to add allow return manually because if I remember right, allow return, yeah, you see this allow return is mandatory for all the waypoints, and I didn't specify it in the command line now, so okay, fine, but anyway, waypoint start, and then okay, and then we can do path point add, right? And then, oops, there is an event triggering. And then we continue to do yeah, this place is this road is a bit weird, but point add, point add, point add. I don't know if we want to have any waypoint here, but maybe yes, maybe we can have a waypoint here. Maybe we will have something in this area. So let's add it. Let's do path end. Ouch. Did we crash? No, I think we didn't. Path stop. Okay, path stop. Okay, let's see if this worked. Okay, nice. Okay, routing road 2. Okay, good. So he created our new path. Ouch. There is a trigger for. We created a new path. There it is. So now NPC can walk this road. Okay, nice. And we just have to remember to add the allow return, but we can do it later. So now I can do the same thing, right? I can I can start a new path, which hopefully will start from this one. Exactly. He said using routing road, blah blah blah. Then we do point add. We go down this way. This road is really broken, by the way. This road is really broken. In theory we fixed it, but in practice it's not really fixed. Yeah, I think here we can have a waypoint because it's the combination, is the place where two roads are joining. So we can have a waypoint here. So we will do path stop. and we see how it looks. Uh-oh. What? Am I in another sector or what? The current region is Rorim area. Raurim area. Okay, bro. But... because this is all Rorim area, eh? So probably the waypoint... Sector Ojapat. Because here there is another sector starts. Okay. Okay. It was just a visualization glitch, but actually it works. It created the path. It created the path. Okay, nice. Now from here we path start again. It's working pretty well anyway. It's working fairly well, boys. So here we add a new path, a new point. Here we add another point. And here we go until the end. I don't know if I want to have a waypoint here, but we may need more waypoints, you know, in the future because there may be stuff there. So maybe yes. I cannot remember that it's on the reload. Okay, so this is our new path. So from here we path start again. And we add a new point. We add another point here. All these places will be populated in the future, you know, with more stuff, more villages, more... At the moment, it's really not much, but don't worry. In the future there will be more stuff. There will be. I assume that is the road that brings me to where I want to go. I mean to Raurim, I hope so. Here seems to be another big area, another large area, so maybe I will have a waypoint here so that we can use it in the future to go left or right. So I will path stop. Okay, fine. So we restart from routing 5. We add a new point. You are definitely on the road to routing. Good. That is what I wanted to. This is what I wanted to know. It should be, but. Wow, this road. Ah! It's a bit broken. Fine. I mean, if you have a horse and a cart, I think would be not very easy to move on this road. Not be very easy, boys. I think I will probably stop with another waypoint here. Oops. I will probably stop with another waypoint because you see that there is left and right. I don't know where to go at the moment. Where should I go, Fergus? Left or right? To go to Rauren. I think right, but not completely convinced. I think he's right. Left? Where is right going then? Let me see. If I go left, no, right. Right is going to Raurim. I don't know where left is going, but it's going somewhere. I don't know, it's going between the mountains. But no, it is left. I mean, it is right. It is right. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Okay, so from here... From here we path start again. There we go. Start the random generator. Yeah, this path that I'm creating is for the random generator. Yes, is the one that I need for the random generator, because the random generator can only work with path, right? If you want NPC to move between cities, we need a random generator to use path. Where should I go here? Ah, it's in front of us. Okay, nice. About horse, are the game see you as a player or as a horse with a possessed thing and start a random level generator? I don't know. In theory, should work anyway, but yes, I don't know if you are on a horse. If he's considering you a player, I mean, he should. He should because he's checking the player controller position, so in theory, yes, but I'm not 100% sure. That's a good point, Hula. It's really a good point. This road, boys, is all broken. This road is all up and down. We will have to fix it. This road is all up and down. I think I want to do a waypoint here because we may use it in the future. Yeah, it's a fairly large area. So I will have a waypoint here, so I will stop the path. Okay. So we have our points. Very nice. And we start a new one. You see, it's very easy to do anyway in the game when stuff works. It's kind of easy. Oh, look at the tree. Look at the giant tree. The giant tree. Do you want to stop here? Probably not. This part is a bit tricky because it's like up and down, left and right, but okay, here I think we want a waypoint because we can go right and we go to the city, or we go left and we go right. So this should be the end of the road. This should be the end of the road. I mean the end of the path. Okay. So you understood that the red ones, the red ones are places where NPC can choose another direction, while the yellow ones are one way, right? So if you enter, you cannot get back. The NPC will not get back in the middle of a yellow one, at least not for now, but in the future maybe. Okay, I don't know if I want to go really in the city because yeah, maybe we can arrive. Yeah, maybe we can arrive up to here. So the NPC may, may appear here or okay. Let's go up to there. So let's start again from here. Add point, end of path, end of path. Okay, nice. So now we have all our new waypoints, and the only thing we need to do now is to tell the NPC which path we want to use, right? So if we want to start from this one, I think yes, so I think we'll be the whole way through. So I will start here and we walk the whole way. So this is Routing Road 10, 2516. Now, how do I specify? These are the names, huh? I go by name. Okay, I go by name. So this waypoint will be Routing Road 10, Routing Road underscore 10, Routing Road underscore 10. So this will be the start. And the end will be and the end will be Routing Road 1, right? Which starts in Oja. Which basically starts in Oja. I think it would be better to do the opposite though. Yeah, I think it would be better to do the opposite. I think the start will be Routing Road 1. And the end will be waypoint name Routing Road underscore 10, right? Okay, so now the only problem we have is that we will have to pretty much trigger this event manually. Next event minimum, next event maximum. This is in minutes. GG. GG. So let's set 1 and 1. Let's set 1 and 1. And the time should be between 6 and 18. We can set the time to 9 in our database. Time. Okay, so if we stop everything now and we reload, right, we already have now our trigger ID is ID number 5, right? This is our this is the trigger that we want to see, because we want to see the new NPC and see if the new NPC is actually properly walking on the road, right? It is what we want to see. See you, Fergus. Bye. The trader on the routing road should be a Dermorian. Let's see. I have someone made it, and I just used their text, so hopefully it's correct. Then I think I will have to go. Well, I can eat here and then travel. I mean, I don't have any problem in traveling late, but I need about 2 hours to reach the place I need to reach, and then I will take a flight tomorrow morning very early. So in theory, that event is starting in 1 minute if everything is the way it should be. Because I said that the event should start, but I'm not sure if that event is, no wait, I think no, I think it's taking the time between yes, no, I need to do it. I need to check it here, or wait, which event is it? It's number 5. Perfect. So it is actually triggering. It is actually triggering, so which is nice. Is event number 5. The only thing we need to be sure is that it's getting the proper location and is happening. Okay, so let's see. I will let it run. Probably my we crashed. No. Why? Response trigger list. NPC triggers. Probably the definition was not complete. Probably the definition was not complete because we crashed. We crashed. About bandits. He crashed in about bandits. Let me see. Trigger. About bandits. It doesn't have the dot at the end, but I don't think it should be a problem. There is a response 1. I don't understand exactly why he's complaining. Seems to be fine to me, but he's complaining. So my trigger is this one, right? Which is about bandits. Okay. He's trying to find the trigger into probably because it's the only one that is double. Yes, it's the only one that is double. I don't think we allow double to be. Yeah. That's why. Because it's double. So we cannot have it. We cannot have it double, boys, for whatever reason. We can fix it in the future, but at the moment it's not possible. PT because we were lucky and the event was triggering very quickly, but I can force it. I can force it to trigger when we want. I can force it. Let me put my dinner on the... Start to cook my dinner a second. So I will just put some pasta. We'll make some pasta. So easy. Easy pasta. Okay, I'm boiling the water. Random event. Random event. Number 1 we don't need. The only one that we need is number 5. So this will happen in 60 seconds. Yeah, it will happen in 60 seconds. Very good. Okay, nice. Will happen in 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds, the NPC should appear here. Right? If it doesn't crash like before. And then we see if it's finding the path, you know, through the network to go to OSHA. I think it should find it, but come on, 60 seconds. Okay. Is here. Number 5 is happening through. Okay, nice. Oops. No? No? Let me see where the hell is it. The name is Shoyel. Let me teleport. You started on the other side, maybe? No, yes, this is what I wanted to do. Yeah, he started on the other side. Actually, this is the NPC. He has a long staff. And yeah, the trade seems to be okay. I don't want to speak to her at the moment, I just want to see. But if he's moving, it means he found the path. Otherwise, he would not move. Because he's moving only if he properly find the path to the other city. And she's following the things that we, you know, all the points that we have added before, right? She's following this road, this path, right? He's following that. I don't know if you want to follow her until the end, but yeah, seems to be working fine. Seems to be working fine. The feet are like trembling a bit. I don't know why. Like if the IK of the feet are trying to find, you know, the right place, but the right spot on the ground, but okay. I think it is kind of working. So what we need to load in production to actually ensure that this works, is it's the random event table and the and the path network, right? And the path network. I have to remember to do the allow return everywhere, eh? On all the new points, we need allow return, right? On all the new points where name like Raurim, exactly. Group, I think group can be 0, it's not a problem, but we need allow return in all these ones. Otherwise the NPC will be able only to start and go back, but not... Okay. WP group, yes, I think it can be null or empty. I think it makes no difference. You see, she's going. She's going all the way. Look at that. She's going all the way, boys. It's working perfectly. I don't know why the staff is so big. It's like a 2-meter staff. I mean, it's true that she's small, so maybe the staff looks bigger, but... Okay, so we will assume that it's working. So let me try to speak with her and see what happens. She stops, which is great. I will say hello. He's saying few things. Um, and if you try to buy, you can buy one map. Wait a second though. Yeah, you need to open it and use it. Nice. And now we have in the compendium, we have, yes, we have the routing piece, you see? Fantastic. Okay, good, good, good. We can load this in production, but I know that tonight there is an event, so I don't want to disrupt things. But well, I will probably load it when I'm back, when I'm coming back from my travels. But yes, basically, basically it is working, right? So if we export now, how does it work? I need to export. Well, we can change. We can change that 15-25 minutes. So I can go back to 15-25, right? And we can go back to probability 50%, which I think is a good probability to have. So it's not happening always, but it's happening sometimes. And yeah, we will have to export this table and then re-export completely waypoint links. Oops, there are some waypoints without name. Wow, there are a lot without name actually. These are all the links. I don't know why they're without name though, but fine. Yeah, you see that our new ones all have names, which is nice. So these are all the links. So we created 10, well actually 11, but 11 different, or no, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 10 different new path between waypoints, and we created a significant number of points. I mean, they are hard to visualize because there are so many. But yes, seems to be fine. So I will have to export waypoint links, waypoints, and random event and SC path points. These are the three tables, the four tables that I need to export and load in prod. I don't want to do it now because I know there is an event running and I don't want to mess up, right? I don't want to mess up. Let me check my dinner. Winner chicken dinner. Oh, there is an event happening. Didn't happen. Did not happen. Which kind of pasta we want? That's a good question. Seven minutes. 7 minutes? Very good. Another event. Another event. But we don't care really. I mean, I can let it go. It's not a problem. Another event. Okay, in about 10 minutes, 9 minutes actually, we'll be ready. Timer 9 minuti.
Ho avviato il timer di 9 minuti.
Ho avviato il timer di 9 minuti. She said, I started the timer for 9 minutes. Okay, I think that's all, boys. I think this is what I wanted to do. So basically what we did, we completed this. We just need to load it in production, but we tested it and works. He has the 2 new map pieces, which by the way are the 2 missing ones. And yeah. Yeah. If you want to have a cheat sheet on the NPC and the map pieces, this is the cheat sheet, but don't tell anyone. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wandering NPC and 6 static NPC. So yeah. That's it. Okay, guys, I think I'm going. As I told you, I will be back. Let me see when I will be back. I will be back next Friday. And hopefully my schedule will return to normal then. Let me check if Friday I will be able to stream. But Friday... Oh my... No. Friday, I'm traveling like overnight and I will arrive on Saturday. So yeah, we will see each other only the next Saturday, okay? Yeah, so in 1 week from now, I will be available in Discord, but the next stream will be next Saturday afternoon, right? Meanwhile, if you can test the game and report bugs on our bug tracker, we have a bug tracker here. You can report stuff. I see some people are posting some bugs. It was supposed to be Arnquist regular advertising cry is replacing quest data. What? Category quest. Quest dynamics? I mean quest. Is there a quest that is not a quest? This guy is saying my brother thrown error, blah blah blah. Arquist regularly calls blades, shields, repair kit, and get them here. If you are collecting a quest from Arquist, his regular cry can replace a page of his dialogue, providing the quest information, and there is no way to get back to the page where the dialogue was replaced. Oh my god. Uh-huh. Interesting. This is an important one, I would say. So I think that is severity high and priority high, actually. So, because if that's true, hmm. 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 If that's true, it means that we have a problem, boys. Ah, and also this one. Starting Manita puzzle crashes the server. Also this one I need to check. No name my lighting in chat. Yeah, unfortunately I know. Okay, guys, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. And yeah. I'm leaving. I will see you next Saturday. Meanwhile, test the game, subscribe on YouTube, follow on Twitch, go to our Patreon, which is patreon.com/planeshift. You can join and get some of the exclusive content that I'm posting from time to time. And yeah, have fun. Have a good week. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.